Video 2, take 2. This is video 1, take 2. The other video malfunction. I'm riding my mountain bike today and it's raining right now. And we're at Alomar Street, and here's the retaining wall, and here's the new fencing laid. And it is raining right now at 3:07 p.m. And yeah, just take a look at this. They did a nice job. But it's starting to clear up over there, so it might stop raining soon. They're not really working on the rail trail today, since they did on Monday. Some of the neighbors have put their no trespassing signs up on these here barrier things to keep people out. I don't think people want the people ride by their property. See, oh, there is one over there. I see one right there, no trespassing. If you can see that. So far my video is still coming out. It hasn't turned off on me. See this sign here? The neighbors put up. But they can't, once it's done, they can't say who can go by here because bikes will be allowed. Well, there you go, Wade. In the video 1 on Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. I think I'm heading back home. Time at 3:09 p.m. This is my rain bike. I got 6 mile .80 on it, if you can see it. Alright, we're out.